This is a WACT Cape Fear Business Break.
Thanks for tuning in. Today I have the pleasure of talking with Dr. Kamran from Scarless Vein Care. Good to see you, Dr. Kamran.
Nice to see you, Megan. And it's been about 9 years since we did our first take.
I know, it's been a long time, but you have treated so many patients and had such success stories. Tell us about one in particular.
Well, thanks for asking that. As you know, we've talked about it many times. If you have venous insufficiency, you probably have restless leg, could have restless leg cramp, aching, heavy tiredness. And one of the things which makes me wake up first thing in the morning, come to work is still after 20 years of doing vein disease, is two stories that I hear. Literally this morning, I had this gentleman who came in and had already taken care of one leg. And I told him, how's he feeling? He says, the leg that you operated, he says, I do not have any more leg cramps. He said, my other leg is still was waking me up. And I'd done his one procedure, one leg last week. He said, I just couldn't wait to come for you to take care of my other leg so that the cramp would be gone, so I would be able to sleep well. I mean, literally after that first procedure, the leg cramps were gone. And what mysterious thing to me is we're still telling people is because they are dehydrated, they need more magnesium, they need potassium. Nobody seems to discuss that if you have cramps, especially at night, it wakes you up, and you have varicose veins or venous insufficiency, this could be coming from your veins. And it's so easy to treat these because it's an office procedure, 10-15 minutes, and you can get on with your life, and you don't have to take a lot of magnesium, potassium, and all these other drugs. So it's been very rewarding for me to do this.
And it starts with a free vein health screening.
Absolutely.
For more details, click the Health tab on WACT.com.